everyone. So today is about since I've had my downpipe on, I just wanted to film a proper intro for you guys. So basically, this isn't a how-to video on how to put on a downpipe. This is just a video of me and my boys just putting it on, and this is just a video of me and the boys putting it on. Hopefully you guys can hear me. My friend Isaac also bought a TOMEI for his Subaru, so we put that on as well. So yeah, right now I'm heading to a meet. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to Isaac for filming. But yeah, he didn't have to, but he was nice enough to film. So thank you, Isaac. And then thank you to you guys for helping me out with the downpipe. I definitely could not have done it without you guys. So thank you guys, it was awesome. But in this video, I don't heat wrap it. I kind of just left it the way it was. But as of right now, it is heat wrapped, and I do have the factory heat shields back on. So if you're wondering why it's just naked in the video, that's why. I mean, I put it on later. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Oh, wait, one more thing. I also want to apologize for my lack of upload time. It's just really hard going to school and pretty much working full time to like afford for these car parts and... Yeah, it just takes a little longer, but this is also the first time I'm filming like during the day. This is awesome. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys enjoy the video, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So, bye. Glad they're used to whatever it is. Oh, fuck. WD-40? Yeah. Definitely. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Oh yes. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Ooh, we're gonna get those. Actually, I'm doing my finger. Okay. Oh fuck! I didn't do it. I knock you out. Right. I knock you up. I knock you up. Oh. Put some leverage on this. Yes. Holy shit. Holy Chipotle, dude. See Holy Chipotle? Damn, it hurts. Instant lube. Instant lube. Oh, I was tightening it the whole time, bro. Look at that. You got it? Yeah. Pull it. There you go. Side, go underneath, see what? Let me see what's hitting on right here. Hold on. Yeah. Lift it back up a little bit. Oh shit, stuff. Yeah. Is that hitting the clamp down here? Kind of heavy. Yeah. Oh, oh my god. Big chungus. Dude, big chungus of downpipes. Dude, ready? Thumbnail? Thumbnail. Dude, look how fat this thing is. Oh my god. Oh, that was a pain. It wasn't that bad. I'll move to the left. This way? Yeah, yeah. Alright, keep going, keep going. Pull. Oh, it's right there. Oh, right there. That's it. Yeah, yeah. It's out. Oh, Brian, you're a beast. Brian, you're a beast. Oh my god, I never want to experience that again. Oh shit, dude. Hold up, Brian. Hold up close. Put it right. Okay, just for a quick second, I'm going to pause it while Brian's looking like a GTA character with a stock motor mount about to beat my face in. But I forgot to tell my friend Isaac to record me unbolting the stock motor mount. And it's pretty chunky, as you can see, but I did receive the new 271 rear motor mount, the 70 durometer one. So yeah, just letting you guys know, in case you're confused why it's just a clip of Brian holding a motor mount. So back to the video. Look at that thing. This is it. 70A. It's supposed to be a little softer. So let's get this one in. The boy's doing the job.
Alright, it's on the hanger.
Injured my finger kind of bad. I'm all patched up.
What size is this?
What do y'all have in the front pipe?
Yeah, what size is it?
I got it.
Okay.
Okay, so we have all the downpipe and the front pipe installed. Can't really see it right there. We have it all installed right here. This was the hardest install to do. I recommend going to a shop because doing it at home is a pain. We're going to do a first startup here in a second after I put the skid plate back on. And then see how it sounds and see how the God Mode tune sounds. Alright, so I installed the tune on the K tuner. I just have to flash it to the car. Flash, we can select that one. Flash. And now we wait. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here I go. Vibrating a lot more in my butt.
Yeah.
From that rear motor mount, I can feel it. Like if a car is vibrating a lot more, it feels nice. I like it. Dude, when I give it throttle, I feel it too. All right, so first impressions, I can definitely feel the motor mount. You can kind of hear the vibrating right there. My glove box is always vibrated, but that is definitely a little more. So I can feel it in my butt. When I give it a little bit of gas, I feel it in the throttle. Fuck, dude, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Alright, let's go pick up Brian. This shit's loud as fuck. Oh my god, this thing's loud, dude. Is this too loud? Oh my god! No, this thing's loud. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. Yours is gonna be fucking loud. He has a TOMEI. I'm gonna record the TOMEI install. He just got a TOMEI for his car, dude. This is my daily. I'm gonna keep the windows down. Dude, what? Oh! Holy shit! I'm in a neighborhood.
You gotta do that past Brian.
Dude, what did I just do to my car? Oh, I got chills right now.
Loud, dude.
I have chills. This is too loud.
Holy shit.
Oh. That's okay. I'm not gonna lie. I would do the burbles on a stock catted downpipe. It was nothing like that, dude. Oh my god. I'm shaking right now, dude. This is like a completely different car. Do the burbles again. Dude.
That's insane, dude. That's actually loud.
What was Brian gonna say?
Brian, it's a little quiet.
I heard that shit. It was loud. Get in, Brian. Get in. Dude. Oh my god, what did I do? Right now, what do you think?
I heard it, dude. I heard it already coming through there. I heard it from my room. Blasting music, dude.
Listen, Brian, listen. Oh my. I'm in the neighborhood. is this car even like this? What is this car?
I wanna go CATLESS.
Deadass?
Yeah.
Did I put you on? Isaac, you CATLESS?
Maybe.
Chills right now.
That's a big difference. from what
Huge
it
difference. And the funny thing is, I look completely stock from the outside.
was- Sounds crazy.
This is insane. Isaac, you on CATLESS? TOMEI, dude.
I mean, not right away.
When are we doing? We're not gonna do the TOMEI tonight, are we?
Yes.
You're down?
I'm
You're down?
down.
You're not down.
What do you think?
Isaac, are you down?
I'm down.
You down?
I'm down.
Swear to God.
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah.
You're down to stay up all night?
Yeah.
I've already been up 24 hours. What's a few more hours?
Oh my God. Why am I scared? I'm like scared of my own car right now. This thing's massive. Bro, fist test? Fist test.
Yes, sir. Holy shit, dude.
What, downpipe? Yeah. Top down. Dude, there's so much room. Alright, first startup. I can't see you. Ready? Here, try and light the exhaust. Okay.
Oh my God.
That's so sick. You want to just leave it up for now, Brian?
No, shit.
Oh
my fucking God, dude.
Oh my God! This is
No
insane!
way,
This is
dude.
insane, dude.
Loud as
I did not think it was gonna be this loud, dude.
Go again?
Everyone's waking up.
Everyone's waking up right now. Oh my God!
I'm fucking shaking. I can hardly drive right now.
Dude!
Loudest.
Oh my God!
The school bus?
Next to the school bus? Dude, you have to.
It's so loud.
Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to say a quick thank you. I just left the car meet right now. Gotta go home, do some homework, go to work. I'm getting some wheels. I decided I'm gonna get some raised gram lights. So the next video will be the wheels. But yeah, I'm gonna work on uploading a lot more. I really want to. I just need to find the time. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and leave a comment what you thought about the video. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll put all my links in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.